Hey there, have you ever imagined living a life without financial stress? Picture yourself free from debt, with savings piling up, and no longer living paycheck to paycheck. Well, today, I'm going to show you how to make that dream a reality by creating your very own financial freedom plan in 2024. Welcome back to the channel, where we dive deep into personal finance and empowerment. Today, we're going to talk about the importance of creating a financial freedom plan and how it can truly transform your life. It's not just about money, it's about living the life you've always wanted without limitations. Let's face it, many of us face common financial challenges such as drowning in debt, struggling to save money, and barely making ends meet from one paycheck to the next. It's a vicious cycle that can feel impossible to break free from. But fear not, because with the right plan in place, you can turn things around. However, achieving financial freedom means having enough savings, investments, and cash on hand to afford the lifestyle you want for yourself and your family. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you take control of your finances and work towards financial independence. Step 1. Define your financial freedom. What does financial freedom mean to you? Lifestyle goals. Determine the lifestyle you want to lead. Do you want to travel, retire early, or have the flexibility to pursue hobbies and passions? Financial milestones. Set clear financial milestones. This could be saving a certain amount, paying off debt, or achieving a specific investment goal. Step 2. Assess your current financial situation. Conduct a financial health check. Net worth. Calculate your net worth by subtracting your liabilities from your assets. Income versus expenses. Track your income and expenses for a few months to understand your cash flow. Debt analysis. List all your debts, including interest rates and monthly payments. Step 3. Set smart financial goals. SMART goals. Your goals be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Short-term goals. Goals you want to achieve within the next year, e.g., save $5,000 for an emergency fund. Medium-term goals. Goals you aim to achieve in the next 1 to 5 years, e.g., pay off $20,000 in student loans. Long-term goals. Goals that are 5 years or more into the future, e.g., save $500,000 for retirement. Step 4. Create a budget. Building your budget income. List all sources of income. Fixed expenses include rent, mortgage, utilities, insurance, and loan payments. Variable expenses include groceries, entertainment, dining out, and other discretionary spending. Savings and investments. Allocate a portion of your income towards savings and investments. Tools for budgeting spreadsheets. Create a simple budget using Excel or Google Sheets. Budgeting apps. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or Pocket Guard. Step 5. Build an emergency fund. Why an emergency fund? Provides a financial cushion for unexpected expenses. Helps avoid debt during emergencies. How much to save? Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Where to save? Use a high-yield savings account for easy access and better interest rates. Step 6. Pay off debt. Debt repayment strategies. Debt snowball. Pay off the smallest debts first to build momentum. Debt avalanche. Pay off debts with the highest interest rates first to save on interest payments. Consolidation and refinancing. Consider debt consolidation to simplify payments. Look into refinancing options for lower interest rates. Step 7. Invest for the future. Understand your investment options. Stocks, ownership in a company, potential for high returns. Bonds, loans to companies, governments, generally safer than stocks. Mutual funds, ETFs, pooled investments that provide diversification. Real estate, property investments that can generate rental income and appreciate over time. Retirement accounts, 401k, 403b, employer-sponsored retirement plans, often with matching contributions. IRA, Roth IRA, individual retirement accounts with tax advantages. Investment strategy, risk tolerance. Assess how much risk you're willing to take. Diversification. Spread investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. Consistency. Regularly invest, even if it's a small amount. Step 8. Increase your income. Side hustles and passive income, freelancing. Offer your skills and services online. Investing in dividend stocks. Earn regular dividend payments. Rental properties. Generate rental income from real estate investments. Create digital products. Sell ebooks, courses, or other digital goods. Career advancement. Further education. Invest in courses and certifications to boost your skills. Negotiation. Negotiate your salary and benefits. Networking. Build professional relationships to open up new opportunities. Step 9. Protect your wealth insurance. Health insurance. Ensure you have adequate health coverage. Life insurance. Protect your loved ones in case of your untimely death. Disability insurance. Safeguard your income if you become unable to work. Estate planning will outline how your assets will be distributed after your death. Trusts. Manage your assets and reduce estate taxes. Power of attorney. Appoint someone to make financial and medical decisions on your behalf if you're unable to. Step 10. Review and adjust your plan regularly. Regular check-ins, monthly reviews, track your spending and savings. Quarterly reviews, assess your progress towards financial goals. Annual reviews, reevaluate your financial plan and make necessary adjustments. Adapt to life changes. Career changes, adjust your budget and savings goals. Family changes, plan for marriage, children, or other significant life events. Economic changes, stay informed about market conditions and adjust your investments accordingly. Take a close look at your income, expenses, assets, and debts. Calculate your net worth and determine where you stand financially. This will give you a clear picture of where you are starting from and help you identify areas for improvement. The goals set should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Whether your goal is to pay off debt, save for a home, or retire early, having clear goals will help you stay focused and motivated. Again, make sure to pay off debt, as debt can be a major obstacle to financial freedom, so it is important to prioritize paying off any high-interest debt you may have. Start by making a list of your debts, including the amount owed and the interest rate. Then, create a plan to pay off your debts, starting with the highest interest rate debt first. Consider using the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to accelerate your debt repayment. Your emergency fund is essential for financial security. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. This fund will provide you with a financial cushion in case of unexpected expenses or job loss. Increasing your income can help you reach your financial goals faster. Look for opportunities to earn extra money, such as taking on a side hustle, freelancing, or investing in your skills and education. Monitor your progress, make changes as needed, and celebrate your successes along the way. In summary, creating a financial freedom plan is not just about numbers on a spreadsheet. It's about taking charge of your life and making conscious choices that will shape your future. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you are in control of your financial destiny. It's a game changer, and you deserve to experience it for yourself. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more valuable tips on financial planning and empowerment. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Share your own experiences, and let's build a community of support and growth together. Here's to your financial freedom in 2024 and beyond. Thanks for watching.